Xavier Mestelan-Pinon, it's a pleasure for me to find you here after that we see always in Formula E. Good morning.
Yeah, morning. Nice.
And of course, we would like to know which is the last development of the Formula E racing car with that there's a work in the championship.
Yeah, since our last race in Buenos Aires, we still work on the car. For the next race will be Mexico. And we will have some improvement around all the software aspect to improve the performance on the car. So I hope to be more and more efficiency for the next race.
Last race, Pechito Lopez has made a very good race and 10 places that he earned after starting the last place. There are always more improvement in the technology and know more things from every race.
Concerning Pechito, he made a very good performance in Buenos Aires because he improved a lot how he managed energy during the race. So that's why now we can expect that he will be on the top level in this series. Of course, the car improved, but concerning Pechito, the most important part was himself. So I can expect that he will make a very good result for the future now.
You work also with him in the WTCC.
Yeah, of course, yes.
And how do you see him in this changement of category from the touring car to the Formula E race?
For him, it was a big challenge. Of course, it's a series like Formula One, very close to Formula One, but in fact, everything is different because it's a full electric cars. And in this series, the more important is not to drive as fast as possible, but is to drive as fast as possible with a constant level of energy. So in this technology, you need to work a lot around this. And thanks to his knowledge and his experience, Pechito Lopez will be more and more efficient in this series. He worked very hard, like he did in the touring car, in the past, his other series. So I'm very confident for the future concerning him.
DS is in France, headquarters in France. Virgin Racing is in USA. How is the communication between the two parts of the team?
So
technical communications,
yeah,
of course.
All the R&D aspects are in Versailles, Satori, so in our DS Performance. For the race, it's the team DS Virgin Racing, which is based in UK, but in fact we share a lot of things. For example, during each race, half of the engineers come from DS Performance. So in fact, we organize after a race, for example, some meeting in UK or in France. We share everything. All the simulator aspects are in France in our workshop Versailles Satori. So in fact, we work together, and the most important thing for us is to take the best of each country because each engineer works differently. Sometimes, for example, in the UK, it's more efficient. They work more directly to the target. In France, sometimes we spend more time to understand. But at the end, both ideas, both philosophy are very efficiency. The most important thing is to take the best of each.
Complementary philosophy, we can say.
Yeah,
between
for me,
USA, United Kingdom, and France.
Yeah, exactly. But as I explained you, the most difficult thing is to take the best of each. This is the most important thing. And since now very close to 2 years, I think that we improve a lot our teams.
I know that you can't say anything especially about next year, but I'm sure that DS Performance are beginning to develop the new car for the fourth season of Formula E. What you can say about?
Yeah, we already start to work on the car for season 4 and 5 because now the big challenge is season 5 with only one car per race. So new powertrain, new technology. So we will start on it. And DS Performance want for the future to be a manufacturer. So we work in this direction, yes. This is very important for us because we believe that this series will grow up in the future.
Thank you very much, Javier, and we will see you in Mexico.
Thank you very much.